Hi, I'm Amar Seha. I'm going to show you how to format rows and columns in Excel. I have my example open here. As you can see, everything looks okay right now, but if you had a narrower column, let's say, then it would look like this, and you won't be able to read some of the cells. So, to adjust that, you highlight the column and then double click and it moves. That's how you format a column. Same thing for rows. You highlight the row and then you double click and then it adjusts. Also, you can highlight the column, format column width, and then you can enter the width you want, and then you just click OK. Same for rows. You can highlight it, row height, and then you adjust. Click OK. So that's how you format columns and rows in Excel. I'm Arik Sahon. Thank you for watching.